The next example is x is equal to a cos cube theta, a cos cube theta, y is equal to a sin cube theta, a sin cube theta at theta is equal to pi by 3, at theta is equal to pi by 3. Okay, तो x is equal to क्या मान लो a cos cube theta, x is equal to a cos cube theta, but differentiate with respect to theta, that is dx by d theta, that is a 3 cos square theta, and cos theta से क्या है minus sin theta, and this y is equal to a sin cube theta, right? Now that is differentiate with respect to theta, that is dy by d theta is equal to a 3 sin square theta into cos theta, sin theta cos theta, then dy by dx is equal to dy by d theta divided by dx by d theta. What is dy by d theta? 3a sin square theta into cos theta divided by 3a cos square theta into sin theta, but sin का sin आता है minus 3a again cancel, this sin theta again cancel, this cos theta square again cancel, this become minus sin upon cos, that is tan theta, dy by dx is क्या tan theta, tan theta. Okay, cos cube sin cube was that is tan theta. Dy by dx at x is equal to कितने मान pi by 3, that is minus tan pi by 3. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Pi by 3 means 60 degree. Tan 60 degree, so root 3. That is the root 3. The answer is root 3. Okay? Simple example. Now, the next example is x is equal to t square plus t plus 1 and y is equal to sin pi t by 2 plus cos pi t by 2. X is equal to t square plus t plus 1, y is equal to sin pi t by 2 plus cos pi t by 2, and t is equal to 1. So for example, differentiate with respect to t, that is dx by dt. What data t square? 2t. What data t? 1. What data was 0. Now, if the differentiate with respect to t, that is dy by dt, that is what data sin x? Cos x, that is cos pi t by 2 into d by dt of pi t by 2 plus cos t क्या है minus sin, that is minus sin pi t by 2 into d by dt of pi t by 2. मैं क्या करें cos pi t by 2 into what date of pi t by 2 तीसरे होगा कि 1 d by dt है ना, ऐसे pi by 2 है ना, and minus sin pi t by 2 ऐसे पर क्या ना pi by 2 already by dt. Okay, I want to find dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. Okay, what is dy by dt here? That is cos pi t by 2 into pi by 2 minus sin pi t by 2 into pi by 2 divided 2t plus 1 divided by 2t plus 1. आता dy by dx शोधायचं. dy by dx at t is equal to 1. 1 टाका t ची किंमत म्हणजे काय ना cos pi by 2 into pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 into pi by 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Pi by 2 is 90. Cos 90 sin 0 0 cos 0 1 cos 90 0 then 0 minus sin 90 sin 0 0 sin 91 जो 1 into pi by 2 divided by 3 that is minus pi by 2 divided by 3 that is pi by 6 but कसा आला minus pi by 6 कसा आला minus pi by 6. This is answer. This is dy by dx. dy by dx at t is equal to 1 is equal to minus pi by 6. That is minus pi by 6. Okay? Let's solve it. So for example, write out the next example is that is x is equal to 2 cos t plus cos of 2t and y is equal to 2 sin t minus sin 2t at t is equal to 5 by 4. So for example बाळांनो एकदा डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेता आले ना तुम्ही कोणतेही एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह करू शकता. बेसिक डेरिव्हेटिव्ह पहिले आपले जे लेक्चर होते ते खूप महत्त्वाचे होते. डेरिव्हेटिव्ह घेता आलं सगळं सोपं आहे. ओके ना आन्सर x इज इक्वल टू काय म्हणतो 2 cos t plus cos of 2t that is differentiate with respect to t that is dx by dt that is equal to cos t regarding minus sign that is minus 2 sin t इथं पण minus already 2 होते minus sin of 2t आणि 2t ची काय 2t ची 2 ना म्हणजे minus 2 sin t and minus 2 sin of 2t. Okay, this is dy by dx by dt. Now what is y? 2 sin t minus sin of 2t, right? 2 sin t minus sin of 2t. Differentiate with respect to t, that is dy by dt, that is equal to 2 cos t minus 2 cos of 2t. This is also answer. Dy by dt. I want to find dy by dx, that is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt. What is dy by dt? That is 2 cos t minus 2 cos of 2t divided by that is minus 2 sin t minus 2 sin of 2t. Okay? Okay. But 2 get cancel, that is cos t minus cos of 2t and sin t minus sin of 2t at t is equal to x at pi by 2 already dy by dx dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4 t cho pi by 4 है cos pi by 4 minus cos of आता pi by 4 ला जर 2 ने मल्टीप्लाई केलं तर pi by 2 में ना pi by 2 आणि 2t आहे ना 2 into pi by 4 म्हणजे pi by 2 ना minus sin pi by 4 minus sin pi by 2 मग याचा आन्सर इथे लिहितो पहा dy by dx dx at t is equal to pi by 2 is equal to sin pi by sin 45 1 upon root 2 sin 90 cos 90 cos 0 1 cos 90 0 that is minus 0 divided by minus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 upon root 2 and sin 0 0 sin 91 minus 1 so 1 upon root 2 divided by minus 1 minus root 2 upon root 2 get cancel that is 1 upon minus 1 upon 1 plus root 2 this is dy by dx this is dy by this is the answer अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल होतं फक्त व्हॅल्यू पुट करायचं होतं व्हॅल्यू काय करायचं होतं पुट करायचं होतं ओके नाउ द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल नाउ okay the next example x is equal to t plus 2 sin of pi d plus 2 sin of pi d and y is equal to 3t minus cos of pi d at t is equal to 1 by 2 at t is equal to 1 by 2 at t is equal to 1 by 2 आता लक्ष द्या सोपं एक्झाम्पल आहे लक्ष द्या differentiate with respect to t differentiate with respect to t that is dx by dt what is the t 1 plus 2 what is the cos of x sin x that is cos of pi d and pi t ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे pi t ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे pi बरोबर डिफरेंशिएट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू t that is dy by dt 3t ची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 3 cos ची काय आहे मायनस साइन that is प्लस म्हणजे sin of pi t into काय आहे pi into काय आहे pi this is the answer now dy by dx is equal to dy by dt divided by dx by dt that is equal to dy by dt का है 3 plus pi sin of pi t divided by का 1 plus 2 pi cos of pi t okay but I want to find dy by dx at t is equal to 1 which is 3 plus pi sin of t is equal to 1 that is pi by 2 t is equal to 1 and pi by 2 is 1 plus 2 pi sin of pi by 2 so sin 0 0 sin 91 as सूत्र 1 and 3 plus pi वरती sin खाली cos है right cos 2 pi cos pi cos 0 1 cos 90 0 means 0 divided by का 1 that's what क्या मिला है 3 plus pi this is divided by dx and t is equal to 1 by and t is equal to 1 by सोपं एक्झाम्पल आलं लक्षात अशा पद्धतीने आपला क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पण संपलेला आहे क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 आणि क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आपला काय झालेला आहे संपलेला आहे नाउ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज लक्ष द्या क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 question number 3 is if x is equal to the first, if x is equal to a under root of sec theta minus tan theta, sec theta minus tan theta, y is equal to a under root of sec theta plus tan theta, sec theta plus tan theta, then show that dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x, dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x. एक काम करूया आंसर मध्ये बघा मी एक आयडिया करतो x is equal to काय मानू a अंडर रूट ऑफ काय मानू sec theta minus tan theta, y is equal to काय a अंडर रूट ऑफ काय मानू sec theta plus tan theta. बाळा मी एग्जांपल जर सॉल्व करा हे वेगळे मेथड सॉल्व करा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आहे ना, तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 आहे एक्सरसाइज 1.4 मध्ये जरा स्टार्ट करा. हे पॅरामीट्रिक मी सॉल्व करतो जरा वेगळे मेथड लक्ष द्या. एक काम करू x आपण हे काम म्हणून सांगा x आपण x इक्वल टू sec theta minus tan ओके, y आपण हे काम म्हणू अंडर रूट ऑफ काम आहे sec theta plus tan theta, स्क्वेअर करू स्क्वेअर म्हणजे x स्क्वेअर अपॉन a स्क्वेअर काम आहे sec theta minus tan theta, and y upon a is equal to काम आहे y स्क्वेअर upon a स्क्वेअर is equal to काम आहे sec theta plus tan theta. ओके, स्क्वेअर केल्यानंतर एक काम करू आपण दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन करू, दोघांचं काय करू मल्टिप्लाय. समजा इक्वेशन नंबर 1 आहे आणि इक्वेशन नंबर 2 आहे, मल्टिप्लाय इक्वेशन नंबर 1 बाय 2 म्हणजे x स्क्वेअर अपॉन a स्क्वेअर गुणिले y स्क्वेअर अपॉन a स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू काय म्हणू sec theta minus tan theta. इथे काय झालं sec theta plus tan theta, इथे काय झालं sec square theta minus tan square theta, इथे काय झालं x square y square upon a raised to the power 4, x square y square upon a raised to the power 4 is equal to काय झालं 4 म्हणजे x square y square म्हणजे x square y square is equal to a raised to the power 4. Now differentiate with respect to x. पहिलं तसंच दुसऱ्याची डेरिव्हेटिव्ह y स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 2y dy by dx अधिक दुसरं तसंच व्हॉट इज डेल्टा ऑफ x स्क्वेअर 2x a स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल टू 0 कॉन्स्टंट आहे. आता कॉमन काय काढून द्यायचं तुम्ही किंवा हे तिकडे मायनस लिहून जाऊ x स्क्वेअर 2x स्क्वेअर y dy by dx is equal to 2y square x, dy by dx is equal to 2y square x, 2x square y, 2 get cancel, y divided by x get cancel, that is y upon x. Minus na, ito minus, ito minus, ito minus. This is dy by dx means okay, अतिशय सोपं एक्झाम्पल. ओके, अतिशय वेगळ्या मेथडने मी जरा सॉल्व केले, जरा इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन यूज केल्याचं. इम्प्लिसिट मी मागे शिकवलं तुम्हाला. ओके, नाव द नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल इज x is equal to e raised to sin of 3t and y is equal to e raised to cos of 3t, then show that is dy by dx minus y log x upon x log 1 okay. अथवा आंसर फॉर्म x is equal to क्या पाएंगे e raised to sin of 3t take log to the both sides that is log x is equal to log of e raised to sin of 3t. A sin of 3t को next sum sin 3t into log is जो अलग sum that is sin of 3t is equal to log x is equal to log. Okay, एक बंदा अगर हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 okay y का e raised to cos of 3t take log to the both sides that is log 1 is equal to log of e raised to cos of 3t that is log 1 is equal to log y is equal to cos of 3t into log is equal to step 1 that is cos of 3t is equal to log 1 is equal to log 1. This is equation number 2. Now let's level. समजा मी एक काम करू दोन्ही साइडचे स्क्वेअर करू दोन्ही साइडचे काय करतो स्क्वेअर म्हणजे log of x bracket square is equal to sin square 3t okay नंतर इथं log 1 bracket square is equal to cos square 3t and add 1 and 2 असतं त्याला म्हणजे मी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 याला म्हणजे मी इक्वेशन नंबर 1 याला म्हणजे मी इक्वेशन नंबर 2 add 1 and 2 म्हणजे log x bracket square plus log 1 bracket square is equal to sin square 3t plus cos square 3t. sin square theta plus cos square theta का असतो 1 हे असतो 1 म्हणजे इथे काय log x bracket square plus log 1 bracket square is equal to 1 and now differentiate with respect to x. That is 2 log x and log x क्या है 1 upon x plus इथे काय 2 log 1 परत log y ची 1 upon y and y ची काय dy by dx is equal to काय आलं 0 म्हणजे 2 log x upon x plus 2 log 1 upon y dy by dx is equal to 0. 2 log y upon y dy by dx is equal to minus 2 log x upon x. It will dy by dx that is equal to this 2 and this 2 get cancelled. Then y minus y log x upon x log y. So सोपं एक्झाम्पल सोपं आहे तर डेरिव्हेटिव्ह व्यवस्थित घ्यायचे डेरिव्हेटिव्ह काय करायचे ते व्यवस्थित घ्यायचे ओके नेक्स्ट पार्ट आपण काय करू नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला पाहूया.